Good morning. It is a beautiful day. Good morning, Grace. What are you doing? I am looking outside. The sky is blue. Yes, it is a perfect day for the beach. Really? Can we go to the beach today? Yes, we can. Daniel, are you awake?
Yes, I am.
Why? We are going to the beach today!
That sounds great!
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. I like swimming and playing games. That sounds great! Are we ready to go?
Almost, Dad. Do you have your hat?
Are we ready to go?
Almost, Dad. Do you have your hat?
My hat? Oh!
I forgot my hat!
Dad, you always forget something. That is true. I have a very busy brain.
We need towels, water, food, and sunscreen. I can pack the towels.
I can carry the food.
Can I bring my ball?
Yes, Leo.
Bring your beach ball. I want to play football. Is everyone ready?
Yes, everyone is ready.
Wait! I need my sunglasses.
Dad, you forgot something again.
Oh, yes! My sunglasses!
Dad, you are funny.
All right, everyone, let's get in the car.
I get the front seat. This is gonna be so much fun.
Let's see, mirrors look good. Is everyone ready?
Yes, let's go. Wow, the beach is beautiful.
The sea is very blue today.
Yes, let's find a good place.
I want to sit under that tree.
Good idea, Dad.
Look at the ocean.
This is the best vacation ever!
I love Sunshine Beach.
The water is so blue.
This is so relaxing. Let's build a sandcastle.
Look at the ocean.
It's so beautiful.
I love this beach.
This is so relaxing. Best vacation ever!